Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best RC cars in 2025 that you absolutely need to check out, packed with speed, durability, and mind-blowing features. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on the best tech reviews. Plus, if you're interested in grabbing any of these awesome RC cars, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, the Viracas Brushless RC truck delivers extreme speed and control thanks to its 2,845 to 3,600 kilovolt brushless motor and 45 amps waterproof ESC. This truck isn't just fast, it can perform flip-in-place stunts for non-stop excitement. Whether you're shopping for an adult RC enthusiast or RC cars for boys aged 8 to 12, the adjustable throttle, 11 kilogram servo, and 3S2 200 mAh lithium polymer battery make it perfect for all skill levels. At number 4, the Hosim Mini 1/8 RC truck is a powerhouse for adults. Featuring a 3660310 kV brushless motor with metal heatsink and fan, it offers lightning-fast speeds. The 85A brushless ESC ensures maximum energy conversion and upgradability. This truck's differential is upgraded to a helical tooth design, reducing friction and noise while prolonging lifespan and boosting power efficiency. Constructed with durable 40 CR chrome steel, the differential withstands extreme driving tests on rough terrains. From high-speed racing to off-road stunts, the Hosim RC truck provides both stability and performance for hardcore hobbyists. Number 3 goes to the BEZGAR HP 163S, a 1/16 scale brushless monster truck that hits speeds up to 68 km per hour. It comes with two 7.4 volts 25 centigrade modular batteries, extending runtime by over 40 minutes. The splash-proof ESC with aluminum heatsink ensures consistent performance, while the collision-resistant drivetrain, including adjustable metal tie rods, oil-filled metal shocks, and wear-resistant gears, protects against bumps, drops, and flips. With a dual throttle speed option, 100% for pros, 70% for beginners, and 2.4 GHz radio system allowing multiple players to compete interference-free up to 250 feet, this truck is perfect for both beginners and advanced RC enthusiasts. Runner-up on our list is the RIAARIO brushless monster truck. Powered by a 3,652,650 kilovolt motor with metal heatsink and fan, this four-wheel drive truck delivers lightning-fast speeds. It features a 7075 gear servo with 11 kilogram torque and a gyroscope for ultra-responsive steering. The 5-channel receiver and 60 amp ESC are compatible with two S3S batteries and even upgradable to a 4S LiPo with a 120 amp ESC. Its CNC machined central differential, 1 MHz-34 THz and 1 MHz-11 THz gears, and 2.5 mm aluminum alloy chassis ensure durability and smooth power transmission. And at number 1, the Hypergo 14 211 desert truck combines speed, control, and rugged durability. Its 2,852 4,400 kilovolt brushless motor with metal heatsink, 45 ampere ESC, and independent receiver provides upgrade potential and lightning-fast acceleration, up to 28 miles per hour on 2S batteries or 45 miles per hour on 3S LiPo. The integrated gyro ensures stability and better drifting control. Built as a heavy-duty short course truck, it features 6061 aluminum chassis components, sealed differentials, and a durable metal gearbox.